In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change your iPhone's passcode. The passcode is what you use to get past the lock screen. Okay, now you can see mine was a very simple passcode, 123456. If you want a different passcode, maybe you think yours is too easy to guess, or you suspect someone might have seen your passcode and you want to change it, then here's what to do. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these instructions for pretty much any iPhone. Now, you need your iPhone connected to the internet because at some point you'll have to verify your Apple ID. Okay, so either Wi-Fi or mobile data. So go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. From the main settings page, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on that and then enter your current passcode, the passcode you're using right now. So mine is 123456. That's the passcode I'm currently using, and that allows you into the Face ID and Passcode settings. Now in there, scroll down and you should see change passcode. So tap on that and then it's going to say enter your old passcode. Your old passcode is the passcode you're using right now. So enter it again. 123456. And then now it says enter your new passcode. This is basically the passcode you want to change to. So enter that passcode. And once you enter it, it's going to tell you to verify your new passcode. So basically enter that new passcode you're changing to once again. And once you enter it, it's going to start. You should see something here. Basically, it's working, trying to get into your Apple ID for your verification. And then, as you can see, that disappears. And that basically means the passcode has been changed. So now, on the lock screen, if you try to use your old passcode, which is 123456, you can see it refuses. Okay, but I can use my new passcode now. It ends with a 9, so there you go. And that's basically how to change the passcode on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.